Right, nice quick one for you today. I've been having a little sort of explore under the dash of my 205 because my central locking hasn't been working recently, but we'll get to that in a minute. So I needed to get access to this under panel here under the dash, which is held with some screws, sort of crosshead screws holding this one in. So you've got one, two, sort of just one underneath each other, and you've got one under the choke blank here which you need to take out, and also there's one just off to the side here, again all crosshair ones, and this panel will just come straight down, leave your choke blank like that, come away from the body, put that to the side for a second. You'll notice you've got all your wiring. We've done this on a previous car, we had sort of the wiring here, but this is the interesting part for me, was this little blue connector. Now what I've done is I've from a 306 an old buzzer relay, which I'll list you the part for, and this just basically clips into place here. And I was a bit curious to see whether this might be the lights on buzzer for the car and whether anything else would be needed. There's my central lock-in anyway. But anyway, so if we turn our stalk with the lights off, voila, look at that, we've got the lights on buzzer, which you don't usually get with 205s. The big posh models, STDTs, GTIs and stuff had that, but the Mardi Gras usually don't. So I don't know whether this is common to every single 205, but that's a nice little cheat for you there if you've got that little blue connector. Yeah, look at this. So turns out my central locking wasn't working because that brown plug there wasn't plugged into the control module. So if your central locking stops working, have a little look under here and try and plug that brown plug back in again, and I'll show you that actually with my swanky remote that's on the plug there. Look at that, it's actually working again. I've had this car for a couple of years now, it's never worked, and here we are. And Brucey bonus, the real ones work as well. So there we go. Catch you next time, yeah?